Hi, I'm Nandini Tare. I am an associate practice lead with HFS Research. I'm here to talk about TechM's capabilities within the manufacturing sector. The recent change in strategy with scale at speed, which was a strategy driven to bring together the entire of Mahindra Group. In terms of the manufacturing perspective, TechM brings together domain knowledge, technology, and sustainability. Not just these tenants, but it is an integrated service provider who looks into engineering, research and development, digital services, and experience design. So when all of these three come together, there's a better and a larger value creation for a client. Thank you.